guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bree if you are new here, and welcome back to another palette throwback Thursday. In today's video, I'm going to be playing around with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina Volume 4 palette. This is definitely my favorite of all of them. I love this palette, love the way that this look turned out, super excited. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Alright, to start off, I'm going to take a big fluffy brush and I'm going to go into this shade right here, A4, and just put that in my kind of like crease area, build up a little bit of a transition shade. Next up, I'm going to go into B2 with a slightly smaller fluffy brush and kind of build that up over it, not go quite as high, but still want to use that pink as more of a transition shade than anything else. Really quick, I'm going to go back into A4 and just run that over the edges really quick. Next up, I'm going to go in with a slightly smaller brush and go into B5, and I'm going to use that to build up a lot of depth in my crease and also start to build up depth on the outer corner. Last but not least, for the mattes, I'm going to go in with a tiny little fluffy brush, and I'm going to go into the shade E4 and really just smoke out the outer corner, make it really deep. Alright, really quick, I'm going to go back in with all the shades that I just used and make sure everything is really blended and seamless and, you know, all that good stuff. Last but certainly not least, I'm going to go in with my fingers into the shade right here, A5, and just press that all over the open space on my lids. Alright, I'm going to jump off and toss on a little teeny tiny baby wing. I'm really actually going to do a baby wing this time. And clean up underneath my eyes, toss on my base. I'll be back to continue working on this look. Okay, so for my under eyes, I'm going to go in with the same shades that I used on my lid. I'm going to go in with E4, B5, B2, and A4. Alright, so for my blush, I'm going to go in with the NYX Sweet Cheeks, and this is in the shade Rose and Play. And for my highlight, I'm going to try out the Pixi Glowy Powder. This is in the shade Peach Dew. Alright, so I'm going to jump off and finish up the rest of my face. For my lips, I'm going to go in with the Milani Color Fetish lipstick, and this is in the shade Lustful. So I'll be back to show you guys the final look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I love the way it turned out. Granted, I didn't like reinvent the wheel, and it honestly looks pretty similar to my Palette Throwback Thursday for the Norvina palette, but like I also thought I looked really pretty that day, so like why not? And yeah, that is going to wrap up my Palette Throwback Thursday with the Norvina Volume 4 palette. I adore this palette. It's honestly, this one is my favorite of the 4. I love this one so much. I think the shades in it are so pretty. The formula is gorgeous. I love the like, let me open it. I love these like 2 shades down here that are kind of almost a pressed glitter, but like not quite. And then these shimmers up here are super, super pretty as well. Everything about this palette is gorgeous. The only one that throws me off is this like neon yellow. Like it just doesn't match, but whatever, it is what it is. But yeah, I love this palette, love this look, super happy with how it turned out. Comment down below and let me know how many of the Norvina palettes do you own? Do you own all of them? Do you own like one? Do you own none of them? I would love to know. Please subscribe if you have not already. It would mean the world to me. Like this video, ring the bell, do all the things. I hope that you guys have an awesome, awesome day, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!